Hello. How's everybody doing? You doing good? Good. I'm glad to hear that. I am good. I'm here today. I'm going to do this alien juice bar lab with you, kind of show you how it works. From what I could tell, it did not work very well on tablet or phone. So you're going to want to do this on a PC to kind of get the full experience. But if not, I'm going to kind of run through it anyways, just so you can kind of see like what you were supposed to get. And if you don't have either one of those devices, you're just watching it on YouTube, this should be sufficient to be able to do the do the worksheet, the Google Doc that came with it. So I'm basically running through it and showing you the answers and all that. So it's just as good as if you were doing it. So just kind of, you actually have to watch it. You can't just pretend like you're watching it and then think everything's cool. So let me show you what this looks like real quick. Let's screen share. Share my screen. All right, you guys see my screen? Great. So that Google Doc opens up, looks like this. You click on this link right here. I already had it open, but let me go ahead and close it just to show you that it in fact does work. Okay, welcome to GEMS Alien Juice Bar. The Alien Juice Bar. Before I do anything though, I usually like to read the questions just so like I know what it is the heck I'm looking for. So pre-lab questions. What does pH of an acid have? What kind of ions does it release? What pH does the base have? What kind of ions does it release? And what pH does a neutral substance have? So if you watched my tutorial video, you know the answers to these already, right? pH, you know that it's 7's in the middle, that's neutral. Anything below 7, from 0 to 7, is going to be acidic. And those are hydrogen ions, the H pluses. And anything above 7, so above 7 to 14, it's going to be basic. So those are OH, those are hydroxide ions, which are negative. So I just answered all these right here, right? What kind of ions? Neutral substance has 7. So I just answered all the questions there. How about that? Isn't that cool? Okay. Challenge 1, set up the juice bar and learn about acids and bases. You will add cabbage, indicator. Your cabbage, kid, your cabbage, to 3 solutions to determine which are acids, bases, and neutral. Do this by dragging a little cup of cabbage juice over the big ball. So you go chemistry, and apparently I'm going to be teaching chemistry next year. I'm going to be teaching chemistry. So you guys want to take chemistry virtually next year and have me as a teacher, you can sign up for chemistry. Don't be scared. It is a cool class. I will get you through it. Just like most of y'all have seen this year, if you're doing the work, you're going to pass. Because you know, I don't give you a choice not to learn the material. It'll be the same in chemistry. So be excited. Be excited. I'm excited to teach chemistry next year. Okay, so what are we doing? Who knows? You will add cabbage to the blah, blah, blah. So it's going to look like that. You will drag solutions to the correct shelves. There's one of each. If you think you have it correct, pull the check me handle. And on the right side of the table. If you get it right, the handle that you pulled, check more, test more, pull it, repeat the steps above in these solutions. Once you get them all right, you will be the proud owner of a new Alien Juice Bar diploma. Woohoo. Okay. Click the continue button and you'll get your alien graduation party. Okay. Click the main menu button and choose challenge 2. So you're going to do challenge 2. So it looks like they're going to ask you for different types of drinks. And it gives you a key right here. So that's cool. Once you start challenge 2, and you want the type of beverage that they want, you got to give it to them. Don't make them sick or dead. And by the way, guys, do not be drinking this stuff on your own at home. Okay, don't do that. Do not test this out in real life. This is a virtual lab. You get credit for this. Attach a picture of the screenshot for your challenge 2 diploma by either passing it after this question, pasting it after this question, or submit it along with the assignment. Okay. So in Google Classroom, you're going to want to add some stuff to your document so I can see that you actually did it. That's how I'm gonna do it. Otherwise, I'll probably just say anybody who doesn't do this, I'll probably have you just take a quiz to show me that you understand the material. Again, this is just a way to practice stuff, but you totally could have and should have learned this from doing the pre-test questions and the video that I put up already. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to it. So here we are. So challenge 1, challenge 2. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it makes noise. Okay. There's the cabbage juice. You will do this in chemistry, by the way. Okay, so we're gonna pick this guy up. Let's pour it in the lemon juice. Pour it in the lemon juice. So we got a beaker there. Look at how it turns it pink, turns it reddish. Here's the window cleaner. Turns it green. Put it in water, which I assume has a pH of 7. We're talking about deionized water. Okay, good so far. Okay, so lemon juice is going to be acidic, right? We know that. Water is going to be neutral, And we know that window cleaner, lots of cleaners and stuff are going to be basic. Okay. There we go. Hello. Okay, so here's our key right here. Pink are gonna, if it turns the solution pink or reddish, it's gonna be acidic. If it turns it green, it's gonna be basic. And if it stays purple, that means there was no chemical reaction to change the color. We know that color change is a sign of chemical reaction, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the next one. Test more. Oh. Here we go. Distilled water. What do we think about that? Try in the acid. Let's test it out. No, so put it back right. What if I put it in neutral? Yeah, it kept it. Cool. About coffee. Do you think it's neutral, acidic, or base? Let's try it in base and see what happens. No, I didn't like that. Coffee, if you ever have coffee on an empty stomach, it kind of makes your stomach burn a little bit, right? It makes kind of things not feel too normal all the time. So it's definitely maybe not neutral. Let's try acidic. Yeah, it kept it as a weak acid. It is a weak acid, right? What were some ways we could test this though? Look, check it out. We still have the cabbage juice here. Oh, here we go. Uh-oh, turned it pink. So we don't even really have to guess. Mouthwash, what do we think? Acid, neutral, or base? It's a wash. And what do we say about things that are cleaners, even though it's a cleaner for your teeth? It's a cleaner for your teeth, probably basic, right? You can use baking soda to whiten your teeth a little bit, some water as a solution. That's what Arm & Hammer is. Did you know that Listerine was originally a floor cleaner, and now it's for your mouth? Isn't that crazy? All right, look, it turned to green, and that right there tells us the base. Cough medicine. What do you think? You think it's neutral? Let's find out. Let's pour that cabbage juice in there. Get in my belly. Oh, it turned to green. Look at that. Okay, liquid soap. Soap is going to be basic, right? Look at that. Oh, boom. Toothpaste juice. So that's, I guess, after you've brushed your teeth and you spit it out. Well, I mean, what was in your mouth? It was some sort of washer, right? Some sort of cleaner. So if it's not basic, I'd be a little surprised. Look at that. Okay, orange juice. So it's orange. It's a citric acid. Look at that. Get your weak acid out of here. Okay, soda pop. So sodas are going to kind of give you that burny, tingly feeling, and it can burn your stomach a little bit. You can clean a toilet bowl with Coca-Cola, right? Check this out. Boom. It's acidic. Tea, same thing as coffee. Tea is also going to kind of give you a little bit of a burn, but it is not super strong. It is a weak acid. See if you can do this without. Uh-oh. Okay, so you would take a screenshot of that. Play again. No, okay, cool. Lemon juice goes here. All right, cool. All right, anyways, let's get back out of here. Let's do challenge 2. See how challenge 2. Okay, you're ready to open your own juice bar for alien customers. You serve them right. Drink the first time, you'll have a happy customer. Don't make them sick. Looks like we still have the cabbage juice to help us though. Give me an acidic drink. Okay, so let's see. We got healthy customers here, sick customers, dead customers. Let's not kill anybody. All right, so acidic. Which one of these are acidic from what we can remember? Oh, soda is acidic, right? Do we want to test it? Or do you think we got it? Okay, he liked it. Okay, next customer. Give me a basic drink. You're a basic drink. I don't want to kill them. I want to have them drink soap. All right, well, we give them some cough medicine. I know that's some people drink cough medicine now when they're sick. Oh, yeah, I was going to test that. Cool. All right, well, they liked it. Okay, here's a crab people. Give me a neutral drink. Well, the only one up here that we have that's neutral is going to be the agua. Can we do this? Does it let us test it out still? I think it does. Oh, no. Error. Well, duh. Here you go. I'm just going to give you water. I'll give you the whole thing. All right, great. Give me an acidic drink. I like coffee. Maybe this is like me, like a little elephant nose. That's how I would drink it. You liked it. I feel like this is like y'all's third period teacher. I'm just kidding. It's probably me. Oh, wait. I don't teach third period, so it can't be me. Basic drink. This guy likes mouthwash. He has a lot of teeth. Let's give him some mouthwash. Well, I got a request for your request, Miss Upside Down Mouth. Where are your teeth? All right, they're on the top part of your head. All right, it's this dude right here. A neutral drink. So that's basically only going to be the waters, right? They didn't give us anything else. Why does it sound like he's eating car parts when he drinks stuff? All right, so that's basically been all the fun I've had in the last couple of weeks. You guys are keeping me sane for the most part. All right, so that's the Alien Juice Bar Lab, guys. Later on this week, I'll have some stuff up about pH. I'll have some stuff up about pH and the properties of water that make water so special for making solutions, their role in creation of acids and bases. And if you know anything about what we've talked about so far with acids and bases, you know that you need the hydrogen ions to make acids in general, and you need the hydroxide, the OH, to make the basic solutions for the most part. That's the most kind of simple reduction I can do to explain that. And so if you kind of put two and two together, you see that there's H, O, and H. There's H2O. Right, my hands are like disappearing. It's a magic trick. Oh, we're gone. And it back. Okay. If you use my head as an oxygen, it's like H2O, but really you can rearrange the H's like this. Hands. H2O. Okay. If I subtract this, boom, all of a sudden there's a free H over here. H to the iso, right? And this is positive. And over here I got my OH, which is hydroxide, which is negative, right? Because the oxygen has a -2. If you look at the oxidation number, the oxidation value, the ionization number, and the hydrogen has a +1. So +1 -2 equal to minus 1. Okay, -1. So it's really, really simple. This is basic stuff that we've already learned about. Now you're just applying it to the concept of acids and bases. Anyways, I will upload this. Hopefully this helps with the lab, and we'll take a quiz over this early next week. But you guys got to get on top of your stuff. This stuff isn't really hard, but you need to work. I don't want to be doing this stuff up in the 2 days before I got to turn in grades. It's really annoying, and I can't help that many people out that are struggling. I got a couple of students that they don't have internet, they don't have a computer, and so they're getting that stuff at like the last minute. They're having to go to grandma's house all the way out in Bernie to do like their work. So I don't want to use up the last 2 days of my time trying to help people out that just are lazy. They don't want to do it. Okay, I know a lot of y'all have stuff going on, but for those y'all who've already logged in last 6 weeks and got the grade, get on top of it. Don't wait to the last week to try to do stuff, because it's really going to get in the way of people getting help from you that really need the help. Okay, so do your best. We're all pulling for you. Ms. Thompson, myself, all the other teachers in the IPC and the science department. We're all trying to do our best to help you all out. Help us help you, and do your best to try to still keep learning, because even though we're not at school, eventually the world will keep turning again. It'll start back up, and we got to be ready. So you don't want to have a bunch of kids without high school diplomas because, we're going through a tough time right now. I guess I don't need to focus on stuff very much wrong. And you still got to be the best person you can be, even if things are kind of difficult right now. All right, you guys have a good day.